Positive Women's Network is an agency providing support services for women living with HIV throughout British Columbia. We've been around since 1991, and currently we have about 500 members across the province, and we provide a broad range of support services, counseling, advocacy. We have a food bank, a lunch program, retreats, and we also support women's families and caregivers.
Women that we work with are dealing with addictions, violence across the continuum of their lives. They may be single parents, they may be parents in what would be called traditional straight families in the suburbs.
One of the things that Positive Women's Network does that's really important is to provide a women-only space so that women can feel safe. There's a sense of sanctuary here at the drop-in. There's a sense of community with other peers. And so women supporting women is really the model that we work from.
The peer support goes beyond the walls of this agency. Women become friends, exchange phone numbers, and have lifelong friendships. Women really talk about how important Positive Women's Network is for them in their day-to-day support around HIV. Women talk about going to retreat and being able to be free and open about living with HIV and knowing that nobody's going to judge them because they're in a room of women where everybody has the same shared experience.
The statistics are quite alarming in terms of how many women are infected with HIV, and a lot of the public still don't understand that this is a women's health issue, and we're seeing a real increase in young women becoming infected.
We really want to focus on trying to decrease the stigma, trying to help communities understand that HIV can be dealt with and women can live healthy lives. But we need to begin that by actually reaching out and speaking of it. We design our resources to be as discreet as possible, and with the pocket guide we made it small. We don't mention HIV on the cover. This is a website with a twist. It's an interactive educational learning platform. And we have 3 streams of service on this program. For service providers looking for information, needing help in either counseling or providing care to women living with HIV. We have a stream for women who are living with HIV and perhaps have been living with their diagnosis for some time and want information that they can't get either in their own community or through their own resources. And we have a stream for women who are just newly diagnosed. And Vancouver Foundation has always been right at our elbow supporting us, saying, that sounds like it works for us. How do you take it a step farther? And they have helped us take things a step farther so that we're providing the best service we can provide.
We often joke about how when you tell people what you do, they kind of sigh or don't know what to say or say, oh, that must be horrible, working with people who are dying. And what I think is I see women who are living and surviving every single day, and they teach me a lot. It's quite amazing actually to be able to witness that every single day.